How to add cash payment on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Uber Eats. Make sure you are signed in, and now to add cash payment on Uber Eats, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the wallet option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, under the Payment Method tab, go ahead and tap on the Cash option, and if the cash option is available on your area, you can now follow the on-screen prompts and you will be able to choose the cash as your payment method. Once you have added the cash as a payment method, you will be able to use it for your Uber Eats orders. So, this is how you can add cash payment on Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.